Let me show you how we can install iOS launcher on POCO F7 Pro. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and let's search for iOS launcher. Here we go. I'm gonna use this app in this video as an example. I know there are multiple different apps that provide this this style of a launcher of iOS. So let's open this one. If you want to try anything else, then of course feel free to do so. I'm gonna show you how to set up this one specific. Alright, so first we need to close the ad, and can I try to, yeah, we can hide this one over here. So first we need to select the language that is the preferred one for us. I'm gonna just choose English and let's press continue. After that we need to press next, 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 and then get started. So now we can choose the wallpaper that we want to use. So these resemble those iOS wallpapers, but of course we can also skip this process by pressing skip in the top right corner. Over here we need to close this offer so we can press continue with free version. Of course we have an ad, and after that we should see the welcoming message, and shortly after that we should be able to tap on screen in order to start using. You can also set it and the launcher as default so that you can use it all the time. You can also do this later in the settings. So I'm just gonna set it later. Let's ignore this. And this is the information about the blur effect. So we select we don't want to be asked again. And of course we can start using our iOS. So as you can see, it looks, the iOS launcher, I mean, it looks pretty similar. As you can see, we also have the app library. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can get the iOS home screen on POCO F7 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!